Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making my tasty Rocky Road recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. It really does help our channel. Thank you. For this I'm going to use some Maltesers, some dried cranberries, some glacé cherries, some dark chocolate and milk chocolate, lovely Amaretti biscuits, golden syrup, and these gorgeous fluffy marshmallows and some butter. To start, I'm just going to melt the two chocolates, the butter and the golden syrup. I'm going to put the butter into a pan. Rather a lot of butter here. Now I'm going to add the chocolate, which I've chopped up. And lastly, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup. That's 2. Last one. Now I'm just going to put this on the hob on a gentle heat until it is all melted together. The next bit is really satisfying. To start with, I'm going to pour these Amaretti biscuits into this plastic bag. And be very careful, making sure I don't drop any. I'm just going to keep the bag loose because if you hit it with a hammer, it will pop. And I'm just going to gently smash these biscuits up with the meat mallet. We want some that are crumbly and powdery and some that are lovely bite-sized pieces. And that's what I've got. Isn't that lovely? And now I'm just going to add some Maltesers. And I'll put those in there, and I'm just going to give these a little bit of a bash as well, because they sort of need to be broken up. Otherwise you can't cut. There we go, that's about it. Some are whole and some are broken. And now I'm just going to pour those into my big bowl. Now all I need to do is add my marshmallows, my glacé cherries, get sticky fingers, and my cranberries. And that's it, the dried ingredients. Just get your hands in there, give it a bit of a stir through so you get everything mixed together. Now all we have to do is wait for the chocolate to melt. I use one of these silver trays for when I do this, and all I do is I get a freezer bag, which I've cut the bottom and the top off, and I just line the tray with the plastic bag, and that's it. And it makes it easy for this to come out when it's set. It's just brilliant. And less washing up. Isn't that gorgeous? Sort of silky and smooth and glossy. Oh, lovely. Now this is all melted, all I'm going to do is pour it into, look at that, into all the dry ingredients. Scrape it all out, make sure we don't leave anything in the pan. And now I am just going to mix all the dry ingredients in with the chocolate, making sure everything gets coated. This is It's a great recipe to do with your children because nothing actually gets really hot. And they'll love smashing up the biscuits and nicking the marshmallows and the cherries and the Maltesers. So you have to get it done when you're doing it with your children very quickly, otherwise you don't have any ingredients left over. And keep going with this until everything is absolutely covered. And the last bit is just pour it into the prepared tray. Here goes. Just press it into the corners. Now I'm just going to press it down. Now all I'm going to do is put it in the fridge. The Rocky Road has been in the fridge for 2 hours. I've taken it out and cut it into what I would call a bite-sized piece. You could make smaller if you wanted to, but now I'm going to sit down with a nice cup of tea and enjoy these with my crew. I hope you like them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Okay.
She's just burped.